All right, so we've seen our first example. So here's the second one. What is 40% of 95? So anytime we see that of, pretty much it's going to be multiplication. So let's go ahead and put our multiplication sign there. Let's see if this one will write for me. No. Let's try this. There you go. So 40% of 95. Remember, I got to take that 40%. And what I'm going to do is I have to change it to a decimal. So I'm going to move it over 1, 2. So that is 0.40 times 95. Then I'm going to switch to my decimals calculator. So I have 0.40 times 95. That's going to give me an answer of 38. So what that means is, there you go, right there. So that means 40% of 95 is going to be equal to 38.